Hi, School of Innovation and Management, in short SoIM, is a new business school by G. Pullareddy Educational Institute School. SoIM is operated on the campus of G. Narayanamma Institute of Technology and Science, GNITS, in Hyderabad. GNITS is a 25 years legacy imparting STEM education for women. The successful, strong, and vibrant alumni is the testimony for GNITS excellence in education. Continuing the education excellence of GNITS, SoIM emerges as the new business school by G. Pullareddy Group. We at SoIM, approved by AICT, have started with two unique programs. One, PGDM in Business Analytics. Two, PGDM in Financial Services and Banking. We started this new business school SoIM for a purpose. We all believe, realize and agree the importance of women in business and corporate world. To continue and improve the presence of women in both technology and business, SoIM has its own vision to empower women to be innovative, independent and socially responsible leaders. There are four key pillars that drive our vision. 1. Academic excellence with effective pedagogy and methodological relevance. 2. Industrial orientation with corporate exposure and interactions. 3. Global perspective with international outreach and experience. 4. Societal contribution with innovative and entrepreneurship attitude. We have started these two unique programs, Business Analytics and Financial Services, as we do not want it to be conventional and mediocre. Understanding the needs of data analytics in business now and in the future, our business analytics curriculum is designed to improve the skills required to be an extraordinary business data analyst. Simultaneously, our financial services curriculum is designed to cater the needs of the professionals required for the fast-growing financial services industry. Both the courses are power-packed with rigorous curriculum like capstone projects, internships, industry interactions, international immersion and exchange programs, certificate courses, business communication training, and finally placements. We make sure that, I repeat, we make sure that 25% of each of our course is taught by either a business practitioner, corporate professional, or industry experts. We have started this new P school for women, especially in small quality cohorts of 60 students per program. We want to focus, nurture, and shape each student to be boardroom ready and make them realize their dreams. We understand each student is unique and needs special attention and guidance. Hence, we started this new program called as LEAD, Leading Experts Advisory Panel, where each of this student would be nurtured with a set of 3 experts throughout the 2 years. This expert panel would consist of industry professional, academic experts, and an in-house professor. We believe that this program would help each student to track their journey towards their goal in detail. SoIM is located right in the heart of the city, that is Gachibowli in Hyderabad. In the highly secured lush green 20 acres campus, we have all the amenities that one would look for to enjoy the B School journey. We have indoor-outdoor sports facilities, labs, libraries, open-air theaters, auditoriums, cafes, clubs, and whatnot. Moreover, we have air-conditioned hostel accommodation within the campus and transport facility for the students coming across the city. So, we all geared up for a new batch and create history by redefining the lives of the student. If you believe our passion matches your dreams, our excellence aligns with your objectives, our confidence drives your zeal, Come, join us at SoIM. Let's innovate, include, and inspire.